Hello, everyone. So, can you save your unfinished work in Wix.com? Well, the answer is yes. Now, let's take a look at how it's done. Okay, so just go to your Google Chrome app. Okay, launch it and type in www.wix.com and log into your account. For example, you have chosen this one and you decided to edit this template. Okay. Okay, so it might take you a while to wait, but it will surely respond. Well, the responsiveness of this website editor or website builder is good. Okay, for example, you have an unfinished business use, so you are done editing add elements, add section, and other stuff there. For example, you have done changing this picture and changing the text inside these text boxes. Okay, so you can click save at the top right corner of the editor or the screen, and your work will be automatically saved, and you can come back and log into your account when you are ready to resume editing the template again. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click like button and subscribe. Thank you very much.